Shall we begin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
beta. Take out the last part. And where did they finally go? Where did Bill and Bill and the lawyer, they finally go? They went to Oliver's mother.
Ma'am,
Okay.
My mother's farm.
But
Yes,
what
ma'am.
happened? How did she treat them?
ma'am, मैम she मतलब मैम वो उससे लोहे की जो स्टिक्स होती है उससे उनको मारने के
English,
लिए
Ishika, try to speak in English, beta. She tried to chase them with a iron rod, okay? And shouted on them. She tried to chase them, okay? And later on, what happens? They got somewhat scared, and the heck driver, the Bill, the man, okay, the heck driver, that is the Bill. He whispered to the lawyer and told him to go out from there, okay, to get out as fast as they could. And though they searched the house thoroughly, they looked at the rooms. Bill, he went inside it, but they did not they did not find any sign of Lutkins there. And the time it passed away, and it was nearly time for the lawyer to catch his train, okay, afternoon train. So finally, the heck driver, that is the Bill, took him to the station. Clear? Up till here, it was clear to everyone?
Yes,
yes ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, now
Yes, ma'am.
put the date on the next parameter. On the way to the city, I worried very little over my failure to find Lutkins. Now, when he was going towards the city, he says that I was not at all worried that I failed to find Lutkins. Why? Because he thought that he had given his 100%, okay? And it was his bad luck that he couldn't find him. I was too busy thinking about Bill Magnuson. Really, I considered returning to New Million to practice law. And then he was not thinking about Lutkins at all. He was thinking about Bill Magnuson, the heck driver. And he thought that the better thing would be to go to New Mullion, where they were living, means where he had gone to find Lutkins, so that he might practice law there. Means he thought of settling there. If I had found Bill so deep and richly human, might I not grow to love Fritz and Gustafa and 100 other slow spoken, simple, wise neighbors? Now, see, all of the impression of the people of New Million has been changed. Okay. And he thought that this Mill Magnuson, he was so helpful. He assisted him all the time. He helped him in finding Lutkin. So he thought that, like him, everybody was very good there. And he thinks that it would be better for him if he would settle there and practice law there at New Million. And then he thinks that if he could find, Bill, such a good human being who having so much of uh, affection, okay, so much of human feelings, then surely he would uh, develop love for Fritz and Gustafa and also for other people, okay, who had been living in New Million and who can prove to be a good neighbors, who are very slow spoken, who are very simple, and they can be very good neighbors to him. I pictured an honest and happy life beyond the strict limits of universities and law firms. Now, see, now he picturized what? A very good life at New Million. He thought that the people are very good, they are very simple, they are very slow spoken, soft spoken, and it's better to live in New Million and to practice law than to live in any city and to to live within the strict rules of universities and law firms, okay, where they have very strict rules, where they have very strict laws. So to survive there, he found it very difficult, and he thought that he might settle in New Million, where everybody, all the people of New Million, according to the lawyer, he picturized it, he would lead a very good life because the people of New Million are very helpful, they are very good. I was excited. I had found a treasure. I had discovered a new way of life. And now, see, he became very excited. Okay. He was very happy. Why? He thought as if he has found a big treasure. जैसे उसको कोई खजाना मिल गया हो. Okay. कौन सा खजाना? He had discovered a new way of life. Okay. A new way of living. But if I did not think much about Lutkins, the office did. Now he says, I did not think too much about Lutkins. I found him or not, it did not worry him, though he failed to find Lutkins, but that did not worry him. Why? Because all his opinion about New Million had changed. He found that there the people were very helpful, the people were very simple, they were very good, and if he's going to settle there, surely they are going to prove very good neighbors to him. He is going to lead a very happy life beyond the strict limitations of law firms and universities. So he stopped thinking about Lutkins, but the firm, okay, where he was working, and the firm which had sent him to find Lutkins, they did not stop thinking. Okay, the firm, it did not stop thinking about Lutkins. I found them all upset. Now, when he went there, he just declared that he tried to find Lutkins, but he failed. So everybody became upset there. Next morning, the case was coming up in the court and they had to have Lutkins. अब क्या था? क्यों upset हो गए? क्योंकि case जो था है ना, उसकी hearing थी in the court. It was there and surely Lutkins की वहां पर जरूरत थी. Okay, in the court. I was a shameful, useless fool. That morning, my promising legal career almost came to an end before it had begun. Now see what happens. He says, I was a shameful, useless fool. Okay? Means I was very shameful. I was a fool. Why? Afterwards, he thought himself to be a fool. क्यों कहता that morning, okay, my promising legal career. My promising means the bright legal career, okay, bright, जो उज्जवल भविष्य होता है ना, that almost came to an end before it began, है ना, वो मेरा भविष्य bright हो उससे पहले ही it ended up. What happened? The chief almost murdered me. He hinted that I might do well at digging ditches. और जो उनका chief था, जो boss था ना, okay, he became very, very, very much angry on the lawyer. और उसने मुझे कहा कि you just leave this work, okay, you cannot be a successful lawyer. You do one thing, you just start digging ditches, okay. और मतलब कि तुम कोई मजदूरी वगैरह करने लगो, खड्डे अड्डे खोदने लगो, you are not fit for this job. I was ordered back to New Million, and with me went a man who had worked with Lutkin. See now, again he was sent to New Million. Who? The lawyer. Okay, and not alone, even a man accompanied him. The man, he had seen Lutkins, he had worked with Lutkins. समझ में आया कि जब लॉयर को वापस भेजा गया न्यू मिलियन, उसके साथ एक आदमी भेजा गया जिसने लुटकिंस के साथ काम करा था. I was rather sorry because it would prevent my loafing all over again with Bill. Okay. और कहता है I was very sorry means he became somewhat sad. Sorry does not feel कोई माफी आफी, means he was somewhat sad. Why? Because that man accompanied him. Now he cannot do any kind of loafing there. Okay, कोई मस्ती अस्ती अब वो नहीं कर सकता था. When the train arrived at New Million, Bill was on the station platform. The head driver, he was there near his car. Strangely enough, that old tigress, who was the tigress? Oliver's mother. Lutkin's mother was there talking and laughing with Bill and not quarreling at all. You understood the story better?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. so cunning and clever the hack driver could be. समझ में आया ना? Who was this hack driver?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
David
Oliver
Oliver.
Lutkin. Oliver Lutkin.
Yeah, he himself was Oliver Lutkins, and he fooled this lawyer. Okay, got it? तो वहां पे देखता है कि वही ओल्ड टाइग्रेस जो है ना, बड़ा हंस हंस के उससे बात कर रही थी बिल से, और उससे झगड़ा नहीं कर रही थी. From the train steps, I pointed Bill out to my companion and said, "There's a fine fellow, a real man. I spent the day with him." Now, as soon as this lawyer, he saw this, this Bill, he just pointed towards Bill and he told his companion, अपने companion को बोला कि just look, he's such a good fellow, he's a real man, and I spent the whole day with him. Got it? He helped you hunt for Oliver Lutkins. Now that man who accompanied him, he was surprised. वो समझ गया कि इसको बेवकूफ बनाया. अच्छा, तो इसने तुम्हें हेल्प कराया ना ऑलिवर लुटकिंस को ढूंढने में. Yes, he helped me a lot. He must have. He's Lutkins himself. तो वो कहता है lawyer, yes, of course he helped me a lot. Okay. तो वो मैन जो साथ में था कहता है, हाँ, surely he must have helped you. He is himself Oliver Lutkins. What really hurt me was that when I served the summons, Lutkins and his mother laughed at me as though I was a bright boy of 7. अब कहता है, अब वो समझ गया कि I was fooled by Oliver Lutkins. Okay. तो वो कहता है कि सबसे ज्यादा हर्ट मुझे जब हुआ है ना, सबसे ज्यादा चोट जब पहुंची, मतलब बहुत इंटरनल इंजरी. ओके, इंटरनल इंजरी मतलब बहुत दुख हुआ कि व्हेन आई सर्व द समन, व्हेन आई गिव द समन, ओके, जो कॉल था कोच का वो दिया, तो लुटकिंस और उसकी मदर मेरी हंसी उड़ा रहे थे, मेरे पर हंस रहे थे जैसे कोई मैं बहुत ब्राइट बच्चा हूँ, है ना, 7 years का. With loving kindness, they begged me to go with them to a neighbor's house for a cup of coffee. और बहुत kindness के साथ they just begged me, they requested me that I should go with them to the neighbor's house for a cup of coffee. I told them about you and they are anxious to look at you, said Lutkins joyfully. अब लटकिंस कहता है कि मैंने नेबर्स को तुम्हारे बारे में बताया, and they are very anxious, Okay, they are very excited, impatiently they are waiting to see a person, okay, who has been fooled by Lutkins himself. अब क्या होगा जब ये चला गया होगा, तो लुटकिंस ने वहां न्यू मिलियन में बताया होगा ना, सब जान गए होंगे कि लुटकिंस तो यही है. ओके, और किस तरह से वो लॉयर को बेवकूफ बना रहे हैं. They are about the only folks in the town that missed seeing you yesterday. और ओलिवर लुटकिंस कहता है उन नेबर्स को बताया, लेट्स गो एंड हैव अ कप ऑफ कॉफी देयर बिकॉज आई टोल्ड देम अबाउट यू. और सिर्फ वो नेबर्स ही बचे थे, ओके, who missed to see you yesterday. Clear or not? Otherwise everybody in New Million, they saw you yesterday, and how I was fooling you means how Lutkins was fooling him. वो भी सब जानते थे, लेकिन वो नेबर्स देखने के लिए एंक्शस थे कि तुमने किस लॉयर को बेवकूफ बना दिया. क्लियर बेटा?
Yes.
Everyone, the chapter is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Interesting chapter or not? Not interesting?
मैम वो
ma'am.
दुकानदार उसका साथ क्यों दे रहे थे मैम?
अरे तो वो वहीं का रहने वाला था, सब जानते थे बेटा उसको, ऑलिवर लुटकिंस को. अब छोटी सी प्लेस में तो सब एज अ फैमिली रहते हैं ना,
यस मैम.
है ना. सो एवरीबडी न्यू हिम वेरी वेल. और भी मजे ले रहे होंगे लोग कि देखो कितना, कैसे एक लॉयर को, है ना, ही इज फूलिंग अ लॉयर. कितनी बड़ी बात थी एक लॉयर को बेवकूफ बनाना. उसको पूरे दिन उसने घुमाया, उसको लंच कराया, जगह जगह गए, अपनी मदर के वहां भी लेकर गया. एंड व्हाट क्लेवरनेस डिड ही डू. उसने कहा था लॉयर को कि आप तो खड़े रहो, आई विल गो एंड टॉक टू दैट पर्सन, ओके, आई विल जस्ट गो एंड फाइंड आउट. हर जगह उसने यही बोला ना, बिल
Yes,
ने
ma'am.
यही बोला था. तो वो बेचारा लॉयर विश्वास करके उस पे खड़ा रहा, वो अंदर जाके कोई ना कोई ट्रिक प्ले कर दी, उसने उन लोगों को बता दिया, एंड इवन दे रिफ्यूज कि उन्होंने लुटकिंस को नहीं देखा है या लुटकिंस अभी अभी निकला है, दिस एंड दैट. क्लियर? Okay. So now all the questions must be done by you. Read and find out. .SRA. What am I saying? Revise all the questions that are given in the book. Don't leave any questions in Hafilis also. Now see, questions you are going to do. Read and find out, or जितने भी इसमें है, read and find out, and yes, and think about it. I'll just let you know. थर्ड वाला भी करेंगे आप, फोर्थ भी करेंगे, fifth B you are going to do. Yes, you are going to do all the questions. And listen, children, when are you going to take your test? When are you ready for the test? Give me the date, hurry up.
मैम फ्राइडे.
Fridays.
Test.
Okay. Test on Friday, okay, means that is tomorrow you are going to take it, na? Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? So we can have the test in the class only, na, during the class, okay? See, I'm going to give you, I'll just send the paper. Got it? As soon as the class begins, you start doing it.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? And I'll give you the limited time. Okay, whether 2 questions, 4 questions, 5, it depends. Okay, the limited time will be given, and after that you just convert it into PDF. See how much time you're taking to convert it into PDF. And remember one thing, beta, do not forget to put the numbers on the pages on which you write down the answers. Okay, and the name should be written on every sheet, the name and the class on the top. समझ में आया? Don't occupy the lines in writing. Top पर बहुत neatly आप लिखेंगे अपना name जब आप half yearly paper attempt करेंगे. Clear?
Ma'am, which chapter test is tomorrow?